In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a client portal using the Wix Members Area app. Now, setting up a client portal can transform your website into an interactive platform, allowing you to offer exclusive resources, panels, and interactions tailored specifically for your clients. Let's dive into this process and make it as easy and enjoyable as possible. First, start by logging into your Wix account. If you haven't got one, head over to wix.com and create an account. It's straightforward, and all it requires is a few of your details to be up and running. Once you're logged in, navigate to your dashboard. From here, you'll want to access the site editor of the particular website where you wish to install the client portal. With your site editor open, look over to the left-hand side, and you'll notice a menu. Click on the Add Apps button. This action will bring you to the Wix App Market. In the search bar, type in Members Area, and you'll see the app appear. Click on it, then hit the Add to Site button. This app integrates directly into your website and automatically creates essential member pages like Sign Up, Login, and the sleek Members page. Now, once the app is added, it's time to customize your member pages to fit your brand and client needs. You can access this by returning to the site editor. Begin by clicking on Menus pages situated in the left side menu. You'll find new sections marked there. These are your member pages. Click each page to edit. Here, you can adjust text, change fonts, colors, and even upload personalized media, ensuring the design aligns with your brand style. Moving on, set up access permissions. Choose whether this portal is available to all members or specific groups only. This step is crucial in ensuring that client-specific information is protected and only viewed by the intended audience. To do this, navigate to the Members area in the editor, click on Pages, and then set restrictions by selecting the appropriate category. Now let's make sure your clients know about the portal. Consider crafting a targeted email or including site notifications once your portal is ready. Directed communication will encourage members to visit and sign up, maximizing the portal's functionality. After you've set up emails, it's a good idea to test everything. Log into your site as if you were a client. Go through the sign-up process, check how the pages display, and confirm that access levels are functioning as planned. Finding any bumps now allows you to fix them before your clients encounter them. Finally, begin promoting this new feature. Share its benefits through your social channels or newsletters, enticing your clients with the value this portal adds to their experience with your brand. Creating a client portal using Wix Members Area isn't just about adding features, it's about enhancing the service you offer. Keep exploring and customizing as your needs evolve, and watch how a well-functioning client portal can boost engagement, satisfaction, and loyalty. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this video helpful for your business journey.